We're back. Are you recording? Okay, so you're recording? Hi. No, just wait. I thought you would come out. Oh.
Hello. Hey guys, and welcome back to our YouTube channel.
Oh, it's back. No.
I'm gonna just put the freeze frame. We're gonna do a freeze frame. We're gonna make chicken noodle soup from scratch. And we have chicken.
I love eating chicken.
It's me.
We're gonna follow
some instructions.
Yeah, on Google and YouTube because
we're dumb.
Does anyone actually know how to make chicken noodle soup?
No. Hope you enjoy the video.
Okay, bye.
Bye. Okay, so like for your ingredients, you're gonna need some chicken. You're gonna need some celery,
some carrots.
We're not bougie enough to buy some chicken broth, so we're gonna make some of our own with some corn tomate. This brand. With this brand. You're also gonna need a pot of water, and like you're gonna wanna boil it. Yeah, step number 1, follow the recipe, because we're dumb.
Yeah,
so yeah, Google. I googled boiling chicken for chicken noodle soup because like I know you have to boil it, but I don't know how much time because I'm dumb. And we also have a video right here. Yeah, from Tasty, and we're gonna follow that and see how it goes. So like our chicken was like frozen and stuff, so like it got some juices. It's the same size as your head. What you're gonna want to do is cut your frozen chicken bag with some scissors. Oh, shoot. Okay. The water is boiling high. Yeah, keep your station clean. Okay, you're gonna want to like drain the chicken juice, because you know you'll want to get what's it called? Yeah. So like after you drain your chicken, you gonna want to boil it. So our chicken for 30 minutes. So that's what we gotta do.
And we're not gonna have onions, right? Or Bailey's peppercorn.
No. Okay, ignore all that.
Very careful stuff.
Yeah. Look. It's not gonna jump. Ugh. Yummy. So since it says 30 minutes, Eliza's gonna timer on her phone for 30 minutes. You don't want to cover your chicken.
So you're gonna cover me. Excuse me, I am not a chicken.
Let's chop up our celery. Okay, so Eliza, tell them what you're doing.
I'm cutting celery, and I don't want to cut it with a knife because I have trauma, dude. This is how big is it?
And as we forgot to mention, you need noodles.
Yeah, I totally forgot we had noodles.
So like, yeah, she chopped up.
Chop.
She cut up. Bro.
Look at that.
Ew. I'm gonna try to open this. You heard that, right?
Spoon. Yeah.
20 minutes later.
Our chicken's done.
I think that's how you do it. You're gonna shred your chicken. I think that's how you do it. Right, Eliza?
Yep.
So,
we turned it up.
Yeah, we turned our chicken up. So like what you're gonna wanna do next is make your broth. So what you're gonna wanna do is turn it on and like we just go and dump it like this.
It's the cinnamon challenge.
So like once your broth is heated up, you're gonna want to add your celery. And after your celery, you want to add your carrots. Wait until your carrots and your celery soften up, and then you can add your shredded chicken. Okay, now when it's warm, you're gonna want to put all your chicken.
We'll go in sections.
When you're done putting your chicken, you want to put your noodles.
We finished our chicken noodle soup, and we were testing it. No,
Taste testing.
taste testing it, and it's really good, and I'm really proud of us.